very dependable and always made sure the train he drove always came to the station on time. Casey Jones was a kind man and was always helpful to his fellow workers. Casey Jones loved to blow his train whistle. He would start it off quiet and then blow it louder. People in town could always tell he was coming down the track just by how he blew the train whistle. One evening, after Casey Jones had already worked a long day, he found out a fellow engineer was sick and wouldn't be able to run his train. Casey Jones felt bad for his sick friend, and he quickly offered to help. Casey Jones would drive the train for his friend to the next town. Because he got a late start, Casey Jones pushed the train as fast as it could go to make up for lost time. As he rounded the bend near the next town, he saw a stalled freight train sitting on his track. Casey Jones could see a collision approaching and frantically blew the train whistle in order to try to warn people of the danger. Casey Jones could have jumped from the train in order to save himself, but he chose to keep his hand on the train whistle and the other hand on the brake in order to save others. Casey Jones died that day, but his actions made him a great American hero.